welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This is Sheba Natural Curls here, coming at you guys today, sharing 2 DIY recipes that are very simple and basic, but yet very effective for hair growth and hydration, you guys. I am going to be doing the aloe vera treatment for my hair, and that is the hydration part that I am looking for, that I always get from aloe vera. We all know this. And I am also going to be doing a moisture treatment on top of this, okay? You know I got to add my twist to this. So I'm going to be doing a Beechnut baby food DIY recipe, okay? And it is baby beechnut. It has bananas, avocado, and blueberries in there. So you might want to check this out. So I'm going to stop babbling and talking, and I'm going to let the music play so you guys can enjoy. But before I do, hit that subscribe button, you guys. You know I always have to ask you guys that. Hit that notification bell also so you do not miss out on any of my future videos yet to come. And I just hope you guys enjoy.